Hello team. So this is the mail solution. So let me explain. So this is a bulk email marketing solution which I'm going to show you. So this is the user panel. Here you can check how much credit we have or how much we used. Here we can check camping list, subscribe and other data. Then we have a recent sent camping data. Then we have a list of growth. These are like logs, activity logs and other things are here. Then we have camping. So here you can check which camping you're already running or which is completed. That data will come here. You can edit, you can copy or you can delete, or you can create multiple camping according to your requirement. This is your regular camping or plain text. You can just choose any. Like if I want to go plain text, then I will select here. Then like here we can select which list shall we share. So here we can select the list. Here we can create multiple lists as well. Okay, so if you require more than one list, then we can add new list. Okay, then we will set up, then we will add template, then schedule and then confirm. Okay, first we need to add. So this is demo account, that's why we had not set up any list and other things currently. Or these are which we already created, so I just edit it and then I will show you the features. Then default. Okay. I think it's not good. No issue. So here you can create list. So subscribers and all. Here just creating list, or we can review that list. This is list. Okay, just allow me a second. Edit list. Address and here and other things are there. Then we will select. Send subscription confirmations and all. Then just save it. Then we have after the plain test we have a regular as well, so we can select regular, then we receptionist, then we will set up template scheduler, then we can confirm that. Okay, so data is not coming, region is this is demo console, we had disabled that feature, I think that's why. So here you can check automations. Here you can check automation, you can create multiple automations. These are some automation which we have created. So I just select say happy birthday, then we will select the before 3 days and then time, and then we will select list, or we can confirm it. Then we have a list. Here you can create multiple lists. Okay, this is the list which we have created, but this is already expired. So here you can check subscribers, or we had not add any subscriber. Yeah, that's why it's not coming. First we need to set up subscriber data, then it will be work for you. Okay, first you need to create a list. In this list you need to set up subscriber data, then you can use the subscriber in camping, because of without subscribers data nobody can you cannot use camping. Okay, so this is a list. Here you can check list overview, like every subscriber rate and all you can check. Here you can check some settings we have. So here you can change what you want to change. Then we have a subscriber, so here you can review, add, import, export data, then segments, forms. Then we have many list of fields and email verifications. Okay, here you can check the list data. So here you can easily use other things as well, like copy, delete, export, import. Okay, then we have templates. So here you can check the template data. Here you can create, you can upload, you can check which template we have already created. So you can check classic builder, pro builder. Here you can change name, preview, change the thumbnail category which you can manage, or you can update according to your requirement. Then we have sending domain. Here you can check domain data. Here you can create multiple domain. Then we have email addresses. So here you can add sender data. Just click here, then you can create. Okay, then we like tracking domain. So here you can track your domain, just selecting and use it. Just select here or here, like this is DNS verify or not, you can check and then save it. Then here you can check the activity. Here you can check your credit use, how much used or not. So that will come, and that will show you sending credit, list, camping. It will show you your graph. Then we have subscription. So subscription we also we won't need to enable, sorry, renew, because of this is a demo account, so which we have allowed them that subscription is already expired. Now you can check profile, contact information, billing, or this is the subscription in this history. So last one is paid, now it's come for again. So we here you can complete the transaction, so your subscription plan will be renewed. Then billing, we have accounts, we have this is the camping API which you can check or which you can use in your solutions. Like if you are using any e-commerce, HRM, CRM, or something like any solution, so here you can set up your API. Okay, then we have admin view. So I will show you the user view now. This is the admin view. So user will buy a package from you, and then they can use your services. Okay, this is the normal way which we are using this solution. Now I'm showing you admin panel. So here you can check customer growth, plans chart, recent subscription or recent customer data. Then we have activity or resources statics. Then here you can check customer data, who registered with you, that data will come here. Here you can create multiple users, here you can select time zones and other things. Here you can view, edit, delete, you can assign a plan, you can disable, you can check subscription, or you can delete. Okay, then we have a subscriptions customer data here. You can check like these are subscription and all, you can manage that. You can check logs, or you can cancel now as well. This is for waiting for payment and all, which you can manage. So see, this is the standard subscribe by Nakul, or what is that subscribe on next billing date or wait for payment. Then this is standard subscribe by admin user, or subscribe date and time and the next billing date. This is. Then we will go for plan. Here are some plan which we have created. So that data will come here. You can easily enable, disable that. You can add it, you can copy it, or you can create. Just select name, price, billing cycle, and currency. You can set up, or you can use that. Okay, if you go for edit, so allow me seconds. See, if you edit, then here you can check overview like plan per year, sending credit and all. Here you can change the price and all if you want. Then we have some settings like quote. So here you can update quote. Okay, sending how much quote, max list, and which you want to update. So here you can update. Security, we have email footer, thumbs up service which can use and update sending server. So here you can add your sending server. Then we have email verification, so use your own email verification server, use system email verification server you can use which you require. Then we have currency. Here you can check currency, or you can use your currency, which currency you are running your work. So here you can set up, you can edit, you can disable it. Then here you can set up your admin like staff login. You can create, you can allow them password, you can manage. Okay, here you can share email and password with that user, so user can easily log in, or they can use your services. So you can enable it, disable it, or and all. You can manage that. If you click on any user, then that data will open also. You can change. Then we have sending server. So here you can check sending server. You can add it. You can enable it, disable, or these are servers which we are using. Amazon, SendGrid, Mailgun, Elastic, Spark Post, and SMTP. Which you want to use, you can use easily. So it will be run for you. Okay. Then we have some accounts. Here you can check some accounts data. Then you have bounce handler. So here you can add bounce handler. Then we have feed look, email verification server. Then we have some settings. Let me show you. Here you can check general setting, or here you can update like enable customer registration or not, registration capture, these things. Then we have system emails, system URLs, background, gel license and all, which you can easily manage. Then we have template gallery, which you can create multiple templates as well. We already added some template for demo purpose. You can easily upload, create, in a click on the action, then you can change the name, preview, change the thumbnail category and all, which you can manage. Okay, then we have custom emails and pages, which you can manage here. You can edit or you can use that. You can create customly. Then we have language, so you can set up your multiple language in which language you want to work. Then these are gateways which we are using: Stripe, Braintree, Paystack, PayPal, Razorpay. So which gateway you want to use, you can use. You just need to add key, that it will be work for you. Then some plugins we have, so this is for develop purpose for using plugins. Then we have blacklist, sorry, reports. So there you can check your blacklist data, delivery log, bounce log, feedback, all types of logs. Here you can check notifications, or here you can check all types of logs. Okay. So I already show you the complete demo to you. So if you have any doubts, then you can contact with us. Thank you.